Man Ray's most memorable paintings. The date of completion of this painting was in 1936. It still is the surrealist. It's featured in this black and white photograph, along with a nude. It includes a depiction of the life of the departed lover, Lee Miller. In the photograph, the woman now is lying on the floor, with a chessboard at her feet, at what the woman might be dreaming, a nightmare or erotic fantasy. The leaves in the picture located in the sky were an inspiration for the logo of the Rocky Horror Picture Show, and many other pop culture iconic images. The chessboard appears in many of the artist's works. Duchamp, Picabia, and many Ray are loved playing chess. And Man Ray considering a grid of squares the basis for all art. It helps you to understand, to structure, to master a sense of order. My opinion about this picture I like because this work is different about comparison with other artists, because access their imagination, different things showing already with the artist by the way they express their feelings and the things you like. ¡C'est fini! Muy bien.